Think Solid, the solid surface solution for your DIY benchtop projects. When your crate arrives, open it to inspect, but leave the benchtop flat in the crate until you're ready to install. Inside, you'll find your factory-finished benchtops and an installation kit. For an L-shaped join, start by strengthening the corner rail and leveling your cabinets. Dry fit both pieces. Apply silicone dobs to the cabinet before installing each benchtop. Apply painter's tape along the join to help prevent silicone from spreading onto the benchtop surface. Next, insert the biscuits and apply silicone before joining the benchtops together. Insert and tighten toggles. Spray Windex along the join and wipe clean for a perfect finish. Think Benchtops, DIY made easy.